Okay, so today we are going to start with the chapters number 16th of your paper 2, okay, which is again an organic chemistry chapter, and it deals with aromatic compounds. Alright. So what are your aromatic compounds? ठीक है, the word aromatic ना, it comes from the word aroma. Okay, aroma का क्या मतलब है? Fragrance. Okay, a beautiful smell या एक typical characteristic smell is known as an aroma. Okay, so it's a fragrance molecule. All right. So why this typical name of aromatic compounds? Okay, initially है ना, when people had started working on organic chemistry, they found कि कुछ ऐसे compounds थे, like for example, you have your oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen means what, हम लोग कहते हैं ना नीलगिरी का तेल. Okay, so that is oil of wintergreen, or else you have your various aroma molecules, like for example perfumes हैं. Okay, so perfumes, जब ये सब compounds का analysis किया गया ना, तो people realized that इसके अंदर predominant molecules जो हैं, they were so called ring compounds, okay, which looks something like this. Okay, this is the basic benzene ring. All right, so this is a benzene ring. ऐसे you have a lot of different ring compounds. Okay, किसी में substituent groups होते हैं, so you may have a substituent here over here. Okay, sometimes you have fused rings. ठीक है, ऐसे दो rings होते हैं which are attached to one another. Fine. Alright, so people figured out कि बहुत सारे ऐसे compounds थे which had got a typical smell, okay, a very very characteristic odor, and from them when they analyzed the chemicals they found that these were mostly ring, fused ring, single ring compounds. So they gave a name to this entire class and they called it aromatic compounds. Okay, aromatic meaning something having a characteristic odor. What does the word characteristic mean? Characteristic odor means उस compound को अगर मैं test tube में लूँ and if I smell it, I can identify that compound by its smell alone. Okay, so if I smell benzene, I say yes, ये benzene है because it has got a typical smell. If I smell an ester, I say okay, this has got a typical smell. So aromatic compounds, in short, पहले when the science began, it was generally considered to be a science of those organic ring compounds which had a typical odor. Okay, तो ये तो हो गया historical beginning. But eventually people realized that there are a lot of ring compounds which do not have a characteristic odor. Okay, so you have ring compounds, okay, that do not have characteristic or pleasant odor. Pleasant मतलब अच्छा, when you smell it, it doesn't seem very nice. It's got a very very bad odor. Sometimes it has got a very terrible odor. Okay. Further, ऐसे भी कुछ aromatic compounds हैं जिनका actually characteristic smell है ही नहीं. Okay. So you also have aromatic compounds all right, that do not have a characteristic odor. So today, when we talk about aromatic compounds, we are not talking only about compounds which are related to having a typical smell. Okay, so आज जब भी हम लोग aromatic compounds की बात करते हैं, we are talking of compounds that are derived from benzene. Okay, so any aromatic compound, as of today, जब भी हम बात करते हैं, we are talking of those compounds which are derived from basic structure of the benzene ring. Okay, and your basic benzene ring structure looks something like this. Okay, it's a 6 carbon molecule, 6 carbons हैं, जो रिंग में अटैच्ड हैं. ओके, दिस स्ट्रक्चर वॉज एल्यूसिडेटेड बाय अ साइंटिस्ट हुज नेम वॉज केक्यूले फ्राइड्रिश. ओके, सो ये स्ट्रक्चर जिसने दिया था, दैट साइंटिस्ट नेम वॉज केक्यूले फ्राइड्रिश. ओके, केक्यूले फ्राइड्रिश इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, क्योंकि इन्होंने प्रपोज किया था कि कार्बन जो है टेट्रावैलेंट कंपाउंड है, इट्स गॉट 4 वैलेंसीज, और वो डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड फॉर्म कर सकता है टू गिव चेन्स. सब्सिक्वेंटली जब वो स्टडी कर रहे थे बेंजीन को, ही वॉज द वन हु गेव द आइडिया कि बेंजीन जो है दैट कैन फॉर्म अ क्लोज्ड रिंग स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, एंड इन शॉर्ट he probably started the field of aromatic chemistry. Okay, so today when we talk about an aromatic compound, we are talking about any organic compound which is derived from the basic structure of the benzene ring. Okay, so you can take this and then we can move ahead.